Let's make some Atole De Elote. It's a Mexican corn drink. So to start, I'm using 4 ears of fresh sweet corn, and I'm just going to remove all of the kernels. For this recipe, I ended up with 400 grams of fresh corn kernels. I'm going to place it into my blender cup, and you can also reserve some to add to the pot later. Here I've added a cup of water, 12 fluid ounces of evaporated milk, and I'm going to puree well. To a pot, I'm going to add 3 cups of water. I'm also going to add piloncillo, or you could add sugar to taste. Here I'm adding 1 cinnamon stick and a pinch of salt. I'm going to bring that up to a boil and dissolve the sugar. So it's been simmering for about 10 minutes. I'm going to remove all of these cinnamon stick pieces. Through a fine wire mesh strainer, I'm going to pour in the corn puree. I'm going to let this simmer for about 10 to 15 minutes. Here I have a 1/3 cup of cold water, and I'm adding 2 tablespoons of cornstarch, and I'm going to give it a mix. This is going to help thicken the drink. The atole has thickened, so now I'm just going to shut off the heat. I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of Mexican vanilla extract, a 1/2 teaspoon of ground cinnamon, give it a mix, and I'm also going to add freshly grated nutmeg, which is optional. Now you can mix and serve. I hope you give this recipe a try. I hope you like it, and thanks for watching!